Here's how to fix your flashlight if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you have your iPhone and you want to turn on the flashlight to be able to see in the dark, but it's just not working, it's not turning on as you expect, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing, of course, is that your flashlight is at the very back next to your camera. So if you have something obstructing it, like a case, anything like that, of course, that could be the reason it's obstructing it. Now, there are a few different ways that you can turn that flashlight on. One is if you're in your lock screen, let me just show you what it looks like. Basically, at the bottom left, you can see a little icon for a flashlight. What you need to do is you need to tap and press pretty hard at the bottom left, and that will turn on your flashlight. So you can't just tap it, you need to tap and press on it, and then it will engage that flashlight. This is basically because if you're on your iPhone and you accidentally tap it, maybe it's in your purse or in your pocket, they don't want it basically to trigger and turn on when you don't mean it to turn on. Now, another way to turn it on is to swipe down from the top right, and then you can see flashlight at the bottom right. There are a couple different options. You can just tap it and you can see it turns it on or off, but you can also tap and hold on this, and it will give you the ability to control that flashlight and how strong it is. So you can see I can tap it up and up and up, and it will get stronger or really dim, or at the very bottom, I can tap it and to turn it off. So try those couple of options to turn it on or off and see if it's working as normal. If it's still not working, let's head into your settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. So go through the process of updating to the latest iOS, because potentially it's just caused from a glitch or a bug in iOS, and they might have fixed that in an update. So just update your phone to the latest version and then test the flashlight again. If that still doesn't work, the next thing I recommend doing is tapping the volume up and the side button and holding those until you shut down your phone. So just shut down your phone fully and restart it. A lot of times there can be a bug or a glitch in your phone, and just restarting it helps to restart those processes and helps to fix that flashlight. Now, if you go through this entire process and your flashlight still isn't working, I recommend just opening up your camera here. Let's open up the camera app. And on here at the very top left, let's tap the little flashlight and make sure that is turned on. And then I just want you to take a photo and see if the flashlight engages and works when you take a photo. If that still doesn't work, I recommend just bringing it into Apple, and most likely it's a hardware issue. Maybe that flashlight, the brightness on it is not working, or there's some kind of bug or issue with it. Maybe there's a defect in it that Apple will just be able to fix, maybe give you a new phone, or just fix that flashlight itself. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.